Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable side button for guided access on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. So next, we're going to start guided access for an app. So I'm going to open up App Store, and then I'm going to triple click on the side button, 1, 2, 3. From the menu, tap on guided access. This will allow you to start a guided access session. And then to allow the use of the side button to lock the screen, what you want to do is triple click on it, 1, 2, 3, and then tap on guided access. Now put in the passcode. And from here, tap on options. Then tap on the side button here so you can switch it off or turn it on. Then tap on done. And then tap on resume. Now you can see when I switch it off, if I try to press on the side button to turn off this display, it will not work. And it said here, guided access is enabled. Triple click the side button or use Face ID. So if I want to switch it back on, 1, 2, 3, I can tap on guided access, then put in the passcode, then tap on options, and then tap on the side button, then tap on done, and then tap on resume. And now I can press on the side button here to lock the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.